Tired of retyping text between your Windows and Ubuntu systems in VirtualBox? Let's unlock the power of seamless copy pasting in just a few simple steps. First, power off your Ubuntu virtual machine completely. Don't just save the machine state. Shut it down from within the Ubuntu environment. This is crucial for the next steps to work correctly. With the Ubuntu VM selected, click on the Settings button in the VirtualBox Manager. This will open a new window with various configuration options. In the Settings window, navigate to the General tab, then click on the Advanced subtab. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Shared Clipboard option. Click on the drop-down menu and select Bidirectional. This allows you to copy and paste text from Windows to Ubuntu and vice versa. While you're here, you can also set drag and drop to Bidirectional. If you want to easily drag and drop files between the two systems, this is optional but highly convenient. Click OK to save these changes. Now start your Ubuntu virtual machine. Once Ubuntu has booted, open a terminal window. We need to install the VirtualBox Guest Editions to fully enable the shared clipboard functionality. In the terminal, insert the Guest Editions CD image by going to Devices in the VirtualBox menu, then insert Guest Editions CD image. Run this CD image in the terminal to fully install the VirtualBox Editions. Now try copying some text from a document in Windows, and then paste it into a text editor or any application within your Ubuntu virtual machine. Voila! Copy pasting bliss. If it doesn't work immediately, try restarting the VM. That's all there is to it. Enjoy seamless data transfer between your Windows host and Ubuntu guest.